Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shay, a dose of Shay. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. So y'all, I just did this light quick beat. First off, bitch, it's giving. I just two string twist my hair, which I'll take down once I put on my clothes. But look, let's get into this, bitch. Yeah, hoes. But it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. So it's Mother's Day, so I'm probably gonna go to brunch by myself. For my Mother's Day gift from my mom, I got her a trip to New York, so y'all know I'm definitely gonna vlog that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go give me some brunch food, some mimosas, just, you know, chill out by myself. Well, I'm not by myself because I always take y'all with me. But bitch, let me show y'all what new case I got for y'all. Oh, excuse the titties, but the orange case, y'all see it? It's so cute. So I got a case because if you know, you know, but I broke my camera and the part that broke was like the little circle part. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll be taking y'all with me for the rest of the day. And I bought a new charger, which I think I did a whole haul on that, so y'all will see that. But I bought a, no, not a charger, a battery. So I bought a battery so I can take y'all out and we can have longer segments. You want to speak to them? Just say hey. I'm not going to put you on camera. Say hey.
Hey.
So, anyway. So, that's what I'm about to do. Get ready to go out. So, I'll show y'all the fit. And, of course, y'all will be with me. Okay, bye. So, I checked out this place called Shane's in New York. They were recommended to me by someone. Y'all, this sangria was busting. It was literally everything. And then I basically got their pancakes with eggs, cheesy grits, and bacon. That's my date. But yeah, that's pretty much, the food was great. Y'all try it out.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, strange.
So then I ended up taking a walk and going to this place called Muse. It was so cute up in there. The lady was so pleasant. And yeah, of course I started off with a cocktail, but this is their menu. And they did give me the drink menu first before any food. Oh my God, my hair look fire. You ain't say nothing. Why you ain't say that? My hair look fire. Okay, so this is the fit. I don't know if y'all can see or not. But my hair looks so good. My makeup look. Look at like. At the nail shop.
Okay, I talk to you later, okay?
Looking every bit of pretty. Y'all, I'm trying to tell them about you. Let me tell them about. Hey, y'all. So, let me back y'all up. Let me tell y'all about Ray. What she doing to me? She trying to go to sleep, and she gonna be here in a couple hours. And she trying to go to sleep. She gonna turn off the light. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck goes to sleep when you on vacation and you coming to see me? What? Explain yourself to them. Explain yourself to them.
Oh my God. Get me off camera.
Tell them how much you like me. Tell them. See, she's trying to be a player at this point. You trying to be a player? So why you don't tell them? Y'all like my nails? I got my feet done too, this color. Okay, so I got up. It's like, hey y'all, good morning. Good morning. Let me put y'all up. Good morning. It's 8 in the morning, so I'm up, just straight up. I got housekeeping coming today. So I wanted to get up, straighten my room up a little bit, and I'm probably gonna go get breakfast while they're cleaning up, and then get ready As y'all know, I got company coming to New York. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. Did I just show y'all the nails? I don't know. They're very short. I'm gonna show y'all the toes later, but they're very short because y'all know I love my Holiana nails. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Clean up, move majority of my stuff so they can clean, because that's what it is. So yeah, I know how to cut it out, so don't worry if you want your face done. Y'all, let me tell y'all what Ray said. I'm gonna let these people know. She said she do not like toes and she do not eat ass. Now, I can see the eat ass part because that's like a preference of people. But the whole toes, she ain't never met a bitch like me. Period. That's what it is, ain't it?
Right. Go with it.
Tell me what your motherfucking ass did to me. Y'all was stressed out this morning. Let me tell them. Let me pause this. I'm gonna get banned on YouTube for the music. But let me tell y'all what happened. So I woke up this morning and basically Airbnb was doing whatever the fuck it was doing. My ass look fat. Fatty. Okay, anyway. But Airbnb had unlisted my property for some reason. So basically I was on the phone. I got a text from Ray that say, I missed my flight. I overslept. Now this motherfucker, the night before, yesterday, she got off the phone with me at 9 o'clock because she needed to be well rested for her flight. So I'm like, you missed your flight. Now I'm on the phone with Airbnb. I'm looking at the phone like, why the fuck would she miss her flight? So now I'm all like, okay, I gotta deal with one problem at a time. This motherfucker calls me, Airbnb hung up or the call, whatever, and she calls me and she's like, yo, what's your room number again? So her ass made the flight and she was here fucking early. So I'm over here in the hallway looking crunchy as hell because I'm over here trying to get the room clean before she comes and then call the Airbnb. But the Airbnb stuff straight, and then this motherfucker came on time. So we went to the sex museum. We gonna go get something to eat first and then go to the sex museum. I've been before, but I didn't vlog it, so I'm gonna definitely vlog it for y'all. But yeah, her motherfucking ass. Y'all should have seen me. First and foremost, the whole house was gonna get cussed out. You heard? You heard? Okay. But that motherfucker knew not to play with me. A little backstory with me and Ray. It's raining. But a little backstory is that we ain't seen each other in like 7 years. Like FaceTime, all that, what? But it's been like 7 years. I met her through her cousin, and me and her like linked up. Then of course we started talking long distance. Then she did some fuck nigga shit, cut off. Then started talking to her again. She did some more fuck nigga shit, cut off. And she always want to bring up that I'll block her ass. When I tell you I'm blocked, shawty, I will block your ass in a doop doop doop, delete it out my life. So then this time she been coming correct though. She been you see, shorty, flew the fuck out. Them flowers, she bought that. So I don't be knowing why she don't be saying nothing to y'all when I be putting the camera on her, because she really obsessed with the kid at this point. Because it's like, obsessed. 7 years you've been here on my line. At this point, stalk me. Stalk me. Okay. At this point, fly to New York. Send gifts.
Alright.
All that.
Alright.
y'all. Looking like she do this for a living. Hey, work. There you go. Poke that booty out. Yes.
Oh, that's a plastic.
Did you win?
Yeah.
Looking out for us because she was like, "Oh, you can just put the camera right here."
Yeah, she did look out.
Good looking girl. Y'all, let me just tell y'all what I just did with my dumb ass. So, child, why? So I had on the heels and we went to the Museum of Sex, but why the fuck? The place was like literally like a block up. Ray looked it up and it said 20 fucking minutes. So I'm like, I'm not walking in 20 minutes. So she looking at me like, all right. So I just get us a lift. It was $20. And we was literally a block up the street. Like he literally like got us and then rolled down the street. So this man just got $20. God knew he needed it because the petty in me wouldn't dispute it. No, it smelled like weed in that car, sir. But I'm not gonna be like that. It's ever since I got this case on my camera, it's been looking up. But y'all gonna see the look. I was serving today. I gotta pop my curls and stuff. We was sweating. Let me show you bitches. It was actually $20.99. So the petty in me want to say, you know, smell like a little marijuana. It's so dark, so this shit is hot as fuck. I mean, because I went too deep in.
Why does it taste like enchilada sauce?
Or something like that, yeah.
This ain't salsa.
No, we should have knew because she came back too fast either. It's like something from a bottle.
They could have done better than this.
Okay, I'm turning it back.
We're trying to verde?
Yeah, ask them for the Okay, yeah. It ain't bad though, but